Easy side hustles and second, third, fourth streams of incomes that you can start bringing in. Easy to start, implement, cheap, easy on your pocketbook, and don't require additional investments like over and over and over and over. What's up? If you haven't watched any of my videos before, my name is Jaylee, and I'm helping you guys shortcut your journey to income online. I'm on a mission to help 1,000 more families this year, and I'm so excited because 2025 have started off with a bang. Good bang or bad bang, we don't know. It's up to your interpretation of what's good or bad. But I will say that in today's age of the digital world, if you're looking for additional streams of income, this is the time, especially with the economy and all the unknowns. If you're in the US, it might actually be better to own your streams of income rather than relying on someone else to pay you a paycheck. Now, of course, if you don't want to just focus on the online space, you can do easy stuff like the delivery driver stuff. You can do dog walking, pet sitting, house sitting, kid sitting. For something that can be in person or online, you can actually do reselling or flipping a product. Gary Vaynerchuk talks a lot about that. You go find things on sale or they're just underpriced for what the actual market price is for them right then. So you go purchase them and resell them. And you can do this on like eBay, Amazon, Craigslist, Marketplace on Facebook, and your local neighborhood. That's really up to you. Of course, if you have a skill set of creating or making something, that's always an option. You can make your own stuff. However, I would suggest expanding outside your local area if you are able to ship easily, because if you can get your products online and showcase them online, your income can significantly increase from those products. I have heard Etsy charges a lot for fees on that kind of stuff. However, you can do this on a lot of different apps right now. I would say TikTok, but here in the US, we don't really know the outcome of that in the next 3 months, really on any social media platform. You can also create a pretty easy and cheap website on something like Wix, W-I-X, and they have a free version. Domains, if you want to create your own website to sell your own products or services, domains are fairly cheap. You can go to cloudflare.com, GoDaddy.com, or Namecheap, just to name a few, and you shouldn't be paying more than about $11 a year for those. There are freelance services that you can kind of, I'll say this with a little spice, pimp yourself out, pimp your services out, and you can go to Fiverr, Marketplace. You can do what I mentioned for products and go create yourself a very simple, basic website using one of their templates and showcase your services there. I know that online tutoring is a big thing as well, and entrepreneurs online, as there are millions, are always looking for VAs or virtual assistants to do odds and ends jobs for them, and that stuff is usually pretty simple work. Sometimes it can be a little hard to get connected with the right people, so if you're on Facebook, you can search for groups. I'm sure you can search elsewhere for similar kind of groups where all those people hang out and are looking for virtual assistants. You can also create your own products and services like coaching or digital products. I will say that this is going to be the more time-consuming side, in that you will need to make sure to test your product with the market. Make sure to test your copy, which is any language you write about your products or however you market them to people. Like if you have a 2-minute elevator speech on what you do or sell, that needs to be honed into your ideal customer. Whoever the ideal group of people are to buy that from you, that needs to be honed into their kind of language, hitting their pain point. You can also do digital marketing or affiliate marketing. In that sense, I would say ensure that you have obviously a good product, where you don't want to sell a product that you don't trust or don't use yourself. Also, you always want to ensure that the company that you're marketing for isn't scamming people, so ensure it's a legit deal and ensure that they're paying enough for your time. When you get into affiliate product, and that can include like the TikTok shop or just regular digital products that you can find online. I've seen people paid anywhere from 2% commissions up to like 40% commissions. It's kind of hard to see 50% commissions and above, but there are some out there. Obviously, there's always stuff online like network marketing and MLMs where you join into teams, and you can join those. Some of those do work. However, I will say that the amount of time it takes to market those versus what you get in return may not be what you're looking for. You may just be trading time for money again, like you do in a regular job. That's really up to you. I personally have been in both of those different styles of income, and I wasn't a fan of reaching out to people on DMs, like reaching out to people I didn't know and just messaging them out of the blue. And I also wasn't a fan of someone else getting the money before I got the money. I know this is a lot of information, and I kind of just covered a brief, like high level 30,000 foot view of different ways to make income online. But I also know that today's economy, especially in the US, has us kind of grasping for straws. Some months it's hard to make ends meet and you feel like you're working your butt off to literally have $7 left in your your bank account at the end of the month, or sometimes negative. I've been there, trust me. If you're tired of living like that and want to make your 2025 look way different than last year, then I urge you to look for something where you can bring in your own income and be in control of your own money coming in, because I think that's really going to be the answer for this year. I think we're going to see a lot of people finding success in generating their own money this year, even more than before. If some of that seemed a little overcomplicated or too many steps, or you don't want to try to figure it out on your own, you don't have to go at it alone. I just wanted to let you know that I'm here for you. And also, I have a proven system that you can plug into with 4 different streams of income. I'll drop a link to a free blueprint just giving you more information if you're interested below this video. You can click on it and check it out for yourself. I don't really know you that close. It's really up to you if you're a good fit or not, but I would say definitely check it out, because 2025 is the year for us all to win, and I know you can do it. So let's make this the best year yet, and I'll see you guys on the next video.